bloody rude.
I'm sorry now, but the greatest empire this world ever saw took time out of its busy schedule to absorb us. And this is how we thank them. Only in Ireland bites the hand that feeds it.
Can I help you, Owen?
Yes, Miss O'Brien. I'd like to send a telegram, please. For the attention of Commandant Patrick Pearse. At the General Post Office, Dublin. To say, on the way, stop. Transport problems, stop. I await your orders, stop. Volunteer, Owen McHugh, stop.
You can stop it right there, sunshine.
Father!
Enough of that blackguarding. When I think of the brave Irishmen dying fighting the Kaiser in France. Disgraceful.
As an Irish citizen, I have a right to contact whoever I like.
A bunch of bloody schoolmasters. I bet they don't miss a day's pay. Traitors, all. Come on, Fenian. Get out and let me do a day's work. Irish citizen.
He's due, lally, eh? And then I says to him, sure, she could be stone dead any minute. Oh, me dad.
In the name of the Irish Republic, we, the combined forces of the Irish Republican Brotherhood, the Irish Citizen Army, and the Irish Volunteers, do hereby take control of this organ of the British state. Miss O'Brien, will you please send me a message?
Thank you.
This'll free Ireland.
You'll soon be answering to new masters.
It's sent.
Thank you, Miss O'Brien.
That's that. I'll head on, so I'll say nothing to no one.
No one's going anywhere until I get a reply.
So they took over the GPO?
And a pair of biscuit factories. Napoleon wouldn't be in it for tactics. Some country.
Well, it is the centre of communications for the whole island.
Oh, yes, it is. Absolutely. Controlling all communications going in and out. Masterstroke. Actually, can I check your telegrams? For security purposes, like.
Come here, you bloody fools.
Right! Miss O'Brien, lock him in there!
What are you doing? Cut on it, Jake.
Get in there!
Will I stay here or go in there or
You
what?
stay where you are.
Why don't we make a proper statement?
Huh?
To get the people behind us. Let them know we're making a stand. For Ireland.
Miss O'Brien, yes.
Have you got a flag?
No, I don't.
I have material in the back. I could make one.
Great.
And you should address the village. They read a proclamation in Dublin the other day.
Miss O'Brien.
Rose.
Rose. This is great. Let's see. for the Irish Republic and her allies in Europe, we hereby strike for freedom.
You know His Majesty takes Holy Communion every morning, blessed by the Pope himself.
We won't take orders from a foreign, illegal occupier.
I was in England last year. I got a feed of fish and chips. The size of the cod, it was the length of my arm. It could have fed a family. Great country!
There was no green, but I have blue instead. It's very gentle on the eye.
Grand. All citizens shall work for the betterment of the state.
When the war blows over in France, we'll ditch the Scots and Welsh, and then it'll be just England and Ireland, alone together, the dream team.
We will rebuild our country.
With roads made from our enemies' bones.
Yes. We will restore our language.
We'll cut out all tongues that talk English.
Class. Nice. Hospitals, the envy of the world, and schools.
With inkwells flowing with British blood.
The national government guarantees rights for all.
And votes for women.
I'd say it's long enough as it is.
Up the Republic!
Hello, Rose.
Oh, good morning, Kathleen.
It's great drying out.
A great day entirely.
Excuse me, I'd like to say a few words. In the name of the Irish Republic, we hereby strike for freedom! We will no longer take orders from a foreign, illegal occupier. We will share our country's resources fairly. We will cherish all the children the same and bring harmony and fraternity to our country.
What about the pump? Aye, yeah.
What?
What about this pump?
The pump is broke.
Right. I'll fix the pump. And we will exit the unjust war now waged in Europe.
What about a handball, laddie?
Aye, hey.
And all of the people of the country shall live in liberty and equality. Fair enough. A handball alley.
Come on.
And a new pump made from brass.
What about a dance hall?
I guarantee a dance hall. And I'll clear the drains. And I fix that road.
Go on, the Fenian!
Owen! It's the police! Don't just stand there. Take aim!
You're cooked now, Fenian. I'd say there's a battalion on the way.
Shoot him in the head. For Ireland! Go on!
That's the postman.
He shot himself in the foot.
Oh, gee. Francis, get your ass over here.
Hard luck, Fenian. We'll get you fixed.
No! He's going to bleed away there. Go all the way, Owen. Die for Ireland.
Jesus, woman, get me a bandage.
Oh. Off the doctor begin to it.
Owen! The telegram! It's from Dublin! It says, "Good man, Owen. Stop. Not to worry. Stop. Busy here. Stop. Padraig McPearse, President of the Irish Republic. Stop. Don't stop believing. Stop. Oh, don't stop believing!
Get me out of here! I'm doing day's work. This country won't run itself.
Don't stop